Here's a quick tutorial video on DNS configuration using the Plesk panel. Sign in to your Plesk control panel with your username and password. Under the Websites and Domains tab, click on the domain for which you want to add DNS records. Click on the Hosting and DNS tab, then select DNS. Click on the Add Record button to create a new DNS entry. Customize the necessary fields for your DNS record. Select the record type A, name, MX, TXT, etc., and enter the appropriate values. Once you've made the necessary changes or added the new record, click the OK button to save it. Plesk will now update the DNS records for your domain.